Hey everyone! So in this video, I'm going to show everyone how to make a cord. This will come handy in several instances, whether you lost your cord broke, or you just have a pendant without a cord. Okay, so here we go. So I usually measure it around my head. You want it a little bit longer. And that's about right. Snip it. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a knot at the end of it. Super tight. You could even light it with like a lighter or something, and then it like sets it. So that, I'm not gonna do that now though. So you got one end and then the other end. So you're just gonna make a knot and then you're gonna pull it really tight. Snip it. Okay, and now what you're gonna do, you got your two knots on the ends. You're gonna take it like this. You're gonna take it around and you're pretty much gonna tie it to itself. Just like that. So you got that on one end. I'm gonna pull it a little bit and then we're gonna do the other side, same thing. Just take it around. And you're just gonna pull that. And that's it. Now you got your slip knot. And this one, so you could make it smaller by pulling it in the middle, or you can make it longer by pulling it like that. And then get your little crystal and you put it right through there. And that's it. Ta-da!